Yeah, this is the COVID vaccine right here. They called Dr. Fauci and said we figured it out.
That's true. This is COVID.
Controversial.
Good morning, FabJer fam. You know the first thing you gotta start any vlog with is a little Starbucks coffee. We are currently in South Florida. We're here to see the in-laws for Thanksgiving. Hey kiddos, you guys ready? You ready to go? Ready to go to Uncle Ralph's? Let's go.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night. When you want
Wow.
Hey family.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Are you on the vlog?
Yeah. Hey Grandpa.
Yes.
Say hi to the vlog, Noel.
I'm camera shy.
Hey kiddos. Grandpa's performing the annual sacred ritual
Of ginger making.
of ginger beer making.
This is for the Thanksgiving.
We're gonna pass it on to the younger generation. What's the steps we gotta go through to make ginger beer, Grandpa?
Well, first of all, you have to get the ginger
Just
beer,
come on.
gingers, and clean them up. Then you grate the ginger. Then you put water. Then try to take out all of the ginger. Then you strain it. Then straining should be done twice so that you don't miss out anything.
Okay.
So now you get all the ginger juice from the ginger, the grated ginger. So this is actually the second to the last step of fixing the ginger beer. So now I'm squeezing out the ginger from the so that I can do another one and strain it, and it's ready. And once done, I'll mix lemon juice in it, then put some sugar to taste, and it's ready for consumption.
Yeah, yummy.
These are what I call the finer things of life. As we enjoy, this is what we fixed back home in Sierra Leone. So these are the things we call the finer things of life. Ginger is medicinal in itself, so it's a good drink that we call it ginger beer, even though it's non-alcoholic.
This does not do the same thing.
It's different.
This is different.
That's what they drink in Canada. Right there.
You know,
this is what they drink in Sierra
what
Leone.
we've done, you can add like soda to get carbonated thing on it so that
So we're gonna have the kids drink this when it's done
So
and
this is
get their reaction.
almost done. I'll teach my son here how to do it.
Yeah.
So that when he gets home,
Then come on, man.
You do it.
inheritance.
he'll do it in my absence. And Jaden is here.
It's your inheritance, man. You're learning how to make ginger
He's
beer.
going to inherit the art of ginger beer. This is nice. Okay. Jaden,
You ready, man?
I'm going to mix. Now I still need the spoons.
Spoons.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, this is a good one. Oh yeah. So here you can mix it. Jaden, go ahead and mix it. Right. So now what I'm going
There
to
you
do
go.
is I need the other regular spoon for tasting.
That's the alcoholic lemon. No,
I don't like this.
It doesn't have alcohol in it.
So I need it because this is organic and it's sharp. So you have to be very careful. It is.
It's organic Mexican lemon juice.
straight-
That's all they have.
Straight Mexican lemon juice.
This is the only lemon juice they had at the health food store that and it was the only store that was open.
Oh,
There's
this
no
is
flour.
the ginger is very strong here.
There's no
I don't know if
flour.
the kids will take it because I would have added more water, but I don't have more bowls.
You want to try it? Try lemon juice.
Like the punch.
Oh.
Relief?
Try it. It's lemon juice. You like lemon juice at home? Take a little bit.
This is good. Why? I made a lot
It's
of
lemon
ginger.
juice. You want to try it?
You tried it?
Okay.
Why do you give a lemon?
It up.
Why do you give
Now
a
it's a
lemon?
party. On that Kool-Aid type of time. Get her, Pop.
This is part of your inheritance. Ginger beer. I want you guys to try it at the same time on the count of 3.
That's a good question. I have.
Well, okay, heritage. Sorry.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's.
You're inheriting it as part of your heritage. Okay, on the count of 3. Wait. I want you to try it on the count of 3. Okay.
Question mark.
I want you to say ginger beer and then drink it. Ready?
Ginger beer made by Grandpa.
1, 2, 3. Say ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
Yeah, try
My
it.
grandma.
It's nice.
What does it taste like?
Grandpa.
Does it taste like it's a little spicy, Jaden?
It's spicy, right? It's spicy. It goes to the throat. That's the good thing about it.
That's good, man. Clear up your sinuses. This isn't that sharp actually. Like it's good. It's sweet. It's kind of sweet.
Ginger beer.
You getting used to it, Jaden?
Yeah. Susie, you want some more?
No.
Elijah, you want to try?
Where did you know? Yeah.
You want to try?
I need water.
Water? Okay.
How do you ask
I
you?
need water.
How do you guys ask?
Water.
I do.
Please have
You
water.
like it? Ah!
It's glorious.
Ginger beer. It's got a, at the end, it just
feel it.
burns.
Yes.
There's a nice burn at
That's
the
how
end.
it
That's
should
the
be.
beauty of
That's
it.
how it should be.
Who needs clarity? You just drink some ginger beer. Yeah, this is the COVID vaccine right here. We called Dr. Fauci and said we figured it out.
That's true. This is COVID.
Controversial.
This is our own
Hey, we
COVID.
will get demonetized for that on YouTube.
Debate in the comments about that.
They're gonna put false information on our video.
Do not accept this advice.
People arguing with themselves in the room.
Right?
Annalise, you ready to go to the pool?
I'm stuck.
Whoa!
I'm ready to. I'm
Yeah.
ready to go to the pool.
You ready to go to the pool?
I'm ready to go to the pool and sleep on the on the bottom of the pool.
You can't sleep on the bottom of the pool
Why you can't sleep on the bottom of the pool?
because you gotta breathe.
That's how I feel about you guys going to the pool.
Why is that?
Because I gotta be over here and overlook the
You-
Thanksgiving feast.
You don't have your swimsuit?
I do have my swimsuit. I'm gonna put it on right after I'm done checking it out.
Well, we appreciate your labor while we recreate.
You're very welcome. I'm saying that with disgust.
It looks good though.
I'll be down there soon.
It looks good. Is that sweet potatoes?
The sweet potato casserole. This is mashed potatoes with fresh rosemary and fresh dill.
Yummy.
Getting it crack-a-lackin'.
Who's a better chef, you or Fabi?
Is that even a question? Is that a rhetorical question?
What was that?
Is that a rhetorical question?
We each have our gifts.
Had I not the mac and cheese last year?
The mac and cheese was
The
right.
chicken broth?
That was me. No, it was good before the chicken broth.
I gotta catch
The
the
chicken
sibling
broth. It was good before
fight
the chicken
on
broth.
video.
And you would not have known how to make it had I not been there. So
I mean,
so
hey, I I mean, hey, now you make mac and cheese with chicken broth. So.
No, I don't. Actually, I don't.
Well, Jen is making the mac and cheese this year, so. And she's making hers the crock pot way. So it's gonna be like creamy, delicious.
So the alternative to the baked this year.
Yeah, so usually we do baked mac and cheese, but this year we're doing like, what is this? Like a, what do they call that?
When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say? Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a damn, she a cutie. I tell her come if you wanna see me.
Okay, women folk.
Wait, is it? What are you trying to say? Is it there's stuff still in the microwave?
Hey.
Women folk and Ralph.
It's a little awkward with that doing what you're doing right now.
I'm gonna zoom in on Noel.
Do we seem to be drained off?
Here's what we got. We have sweet potato souffle with marshmallows. This is a traditional West African stew. So it's basically like flavored vegetables, palm oil, and I made it vegetarian. Fried plantain, mashed potatoes seasoned. We have rice. We're gonna get some more. And what is this? Potato leaf?
Noel, you look pretty funny on video with your hood up like
That's
that.
what I'm saying. That's fine. Okay, this is a traditional Sierra Leonean potato leaf. So, so it's basically like.
Prepared by this gentleman here.
No, he didn't make it.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I bring the credit back. You do not receive that.
But it's if you think of like collard greens, it's a different type of leaf, and it's cooked with palm oil, seasons, has some kanda. Kanda is what we call like
Cow skin.
cow skin, and some fish, chicken. So you eat that with rice. We have dessert about to go in the oven. Pumpkin pie and apple pie, and we have ice cream, homemade ice cream in the fridge, and we have homemade cornbread muffins. We have greens, and
You'll notice that there's a lot less food than usual
there's
because
definitely a lot less food than
of COVID. There's a lot less people,
yes.
a lot less food.
Usually we have food to last at least a week, at least I think.
And for everybody to take
For
home.
everybody to take, for everybody to have like at least 2 or 3 servings of it. But and then if you want to come around, we have we decided not to do turkey this year because we took a vote and everybody wanted to have baked chicken. So we have baked chicken instead of turkey. So they're just cutting it up right now.
Masterpiece. Slaughtering it.
It's already been slaughtered.
Is that
The
it?
dirty work was already done.
Is that it? Did I miss anything?
Yeah, I mean, everything.
Oh, and mac and cheese.
Yeah, of course.
So
By the woman of the house.
we did creamy mac and cheese this year.
Jen's masterpiece.
So yeah, now we're just getting everything.
Now I need Noelle to explain to the world why she has that hood
Show
on.
the greens.
Noelle, tell us why you got the hood on today. Did you forget to shave?
Yeah.
Shave.
No shave November.
You look like you're not getting enough oxygen.
Like suffocating.
That's bad.
It's having a mask on.
And now I'm going to put my brother-in-law on camera so he feels awkward.
No, it's not like.
Let's see if he switches when he realizes I'm recording.
I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say? Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a damn, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in.
So that is the end of our day, and we're spending it watching Jingle Jangle, which is a great way to end the day. We're so tired, but it's been a great day. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and
subscribe to our channel. We hope you all had a wonderful holiday as well, and we will see you on the next one.
See ya.